In this part, we will discuss the summary of the fun they had. Student, this is a story of 2157. Margie makes a diary entry which reveals that Tommy has come across a book printed on paper. The pages of the book have turned yellow and wrinkled, which proves that it existed centuries ago. The book is a peculiar in the sense that it had the same words on that it had when they read it first time. They were not moving like that on a computer television screen. Tommy calls it West because once the book is read, it is of no use. Their television screens has had millions of books on it, and one cannot throw it away. Margie thinks in the same way, but she is curious to know what the book is about. Tommy tells her that it is about a school. Margie hates school, but now she's hated it more because she is doing worse and worse in the field of geography. And to see the poor performance of her daughter, her mother sends for the county inspector, who is a round little man. County inspector means the mechanic who will fix the computer teacher, means the mechanical teacher. He takes the television apart and sets it right within an hour, means he fixes all the problem in hour, and he says that this is not the girl's fault, means this is not the Margie's fault. This was the fault of the geography sector. The geography sector and the mechanical teacher was geared a little too quick, and the mechanical teacher has slowed that according to the age of Margie. Means the geography teacher was little geared up, and the county inspector refixed according to the age of Margie. Margie is curious to know about the olden kind of school. Tommy tells her that it is not their kind of school because their school right along with their bedroom. That is all kind of school they had centuries ago. The students had a human teacher who taught them, who gave them homework and also asked them questions. Margie's urged that a man cannot be smart enough. Tommy tells her that the teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all kids went there. That means Tommy is talking about your kind of school. जैसे आप लोग अभी सब स्कूल में आते हो, टॉमी यही बताने की कोशिश कर रहा है, क्योंकि उन लोगों का स्कूल उन लोगों के बेडरूम के साथ था. सबका अपना क्लासरूम था, सबका अपना मैकेनिकल टीचर था. They had a special building and all kids went there and sit together. Now it is Margie's school time. She goes into her classroom, which is right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher is on waiting for her. She puts her homework of arithmetic and in a slot with a sigh. she is thinking, but in this place she is thinking about the old school. She thinks that all kind of schools are beautiful because all the boys and girls of same age comes together and share their thoughts and live together. The teachers are human beings. They understand the emotions of the kids. They are laughing together, they shout together, they play together. So Margie is thinking about the old kind of a school, and here the story ends up. Ending the story, we can find a sense that what the schooling system of the future and what the schooling system is in the present. The story gives you the brief ideology of the future schooling system. Students, you can see that we are suffering from the pandemic COVID-19, and because of that I am giving you the learning materials through the computers, laptops and smartphones. So I think you can understand this chapter very well because I am not standing in front of you. My voice is coming from your mobile phone, and you have to put your all effort to understand the chapter through your mobile phones. So I think this is the very perfect time to understand this story. Yes, Isaac Asimov has written this story keeping in his mind of 2157, but you can see that in 2020 we have to face this kind of problem. This is not a simple situation. I am giving you all kind of lectures and the exercises through the WhatsApp, and I will give the pages of the book, and I have marked and highlighted the important point of the chapter, and I have written some questions on the paper, and I have given the hint that where you can find the answer of those questions. That is given as a P1, P2. P1 means paragraph 1. That means which question have the P1 hint, that answer will be in the P1. Okay, so this is for the today's class, and if you have any kind of doubt then ask me, but before that you listen my lecture again and again, and you go through the line by line of the chapter, the fun they had. First, at least 10 times you have to read the chapter. Then if you have doubt, then put a question to me. But first read this chapter at least 10 times. Okay, thank you.